For the chevron stitch, we're going to start with 2 parallel lines. Bring your needle up on the bottom line on the very left hand side. And then we're going to go 1 stitch length forward. But don't bring your needle all the way down yet. Bring your needle up in between the 2 points. And then go ahead and pull that tight. And make sure that your thread is coming out to the top of this line that you've just created. Then bring your needle up at a diagonal from that line. Go down through the back of the fabric. Go to about a stitch length to the left of that point. Then bring your needle over a stitch length to the right to make the top cap. And before you bring it all the way down, bring your needle up through the same hole that the top of this diagonal is going down in. And then pull that tight. And then go back down to the base. Make a stitch. Go to the left, half a stitch length. Go to the right to form the cap on the bottom. And before you pull that all the way through, bring your needle back up in the same hole that that diagonal stitch went in. Pull that tight to make that bottom cap. So again, to the top line, half a stitch to the left, over to the right to make the top cap. Before you bring it all the way through, needle up through that same hole, tighten that, and the needle goes back down to the bottom. And just continue that. And then when you get to the last stitch here, just end it by making 1 last cap on the bottom of your chevron stitch. And that is how you do a chevron stitch.